bring you across and show you the, we'll give you an overhead of the swimming pool area. It's a beautiful overhead of a swimming pool here at the MERUSAKA. Wow, so beautiful. So our swimming pool's got a divide. It is the Grand Hyatt Bali. Take the drone up and just give you a full view of this area here. Looks very, very beautiful. And a shisha experience. Fishing boat here dressed as a Island Live cocktails. There's a swimming pool area. Wow. Should maybe rent these, I'm not sure. We'll get back on the track. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around 1:30 p.m. I'm here in the Nusa Dua area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a beach walking tour from the NOVOTEL through to the Grand Hyatt. So in this beach walking tour that's going to be featured today, I think there's going to be 4 or 5 resort facilities approximately, starting off at the NOVOTEL itself and then walking all the way through to the Grand Hyatt. I'm going to take in all of the resorts as I'm walking along, show you the restaurants. They're usually on the back of the beach, all of the seating areas on the beach location itself. She'll take you in and show you around the swimming pools. I'm also going to include some drone footage so you can get a full bird's eye view from above with the drone of the resort facilities, and just give you a general idea what you can expect from this area here in Nusa Dua. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a beach stroll here in Nusa Dua. Okay, so here's a start point today. This is the NOVOTEL here in Nusa Dua. See, it's got a beautiful beach location here. Just bring you in gradually. Beautiful clean ocean. There's all your seating on the beach, your sun lounges. I presume that's the NOVOTEL there in the back. Wow, looks very, very beautiful. I'm not sure 100% that is the NOVOTEL, but I presume it is. Okay, so we're back down on the ground now, and this is a start point for today's video. This is the NOVOTEL. Just showing you an aerial view of a beautiful beach location here also. Nice clean ocean, beautiful white sand beach. Some sun lounges just along the side here. Some sun lounges in the back here also. Some tables and chairs also in the back. And we're on the track now and just walking along the back of the beach. Some massage under the gazebo there. Some more sun lounges here. Not sure whether these are the NOVOTEL or whether these are for people just visiting the beach. A few people on the beach. Wow, just look at that. So beautiful. Okay, so just coming from the NOVOTEL in that direction, we've just cut along the back of the path now, and we're here at the AYODYA hotel. I think it's a hotel, not a resort, this one. I shall double check when I get back. Some beautiful seating areas here. Wow, very nice. Grass, big grass area. Very, very nice. Not sure whether that's the rooms or something in the back there. Like a little football field here with 2 nets. I'll take the drone up and just give you a full view of this area here. Looks very, very beautiful. You can see there's quite a few guests around here. chest set here. Some more seating in the back there also. So you've got a service counter for your food and stuff here. Very nice seating area. Wow, beautiful. The sand bowls here. Another game here. Family's playing there. Interesting. Lots of games and activities, some surfboard rental as well there, some water sports activities as well available. I'll show you on the board. Wow. Something here, Tunes by the Sea. There it is, the AYODYA Resort. Oh, it's the AYODYA Resort, not hotel. Have a little ice cream area here. Some drinks as well and juice and things. A collection of tables and chairs. We'll just show you this as well. The shisha experience. Friday morning, some activities. Beautiful seating area here. Wow, this is busy. And a nice little restaurant area here as well. A fishing boat here dressed as a Island Live cocktails. 4 different cocktails available there. Maybe they're in those bottles. Coconuts. So nice. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Some beautiful lounging areas as well at the back here. There's an example of your seating areas. Track up here, we'll just go and take you around and show you the swimming pool. So we have hammocks as well between the palm trees. Some nice unique seating areas here as well. There's a swimming pool area. Wow, nice. Okay, so here's a beautiful view of the beach location outside the AYODYA. Can't get too high here because I've just had a helicopter flying across, so it's a little bit scary. There's the AYODYA in the back there. A very, very beautiful resort this. A beach swing as well there. It's a beautiful beach location outside the AYODYA. Wow, nice. In the back. We'll just bring you across now and show you this swimming pool from above. Beautiful beach area. There's a swimming pool down below. Wow, beautiful view. Back on the track now, the back of the AYODYA. There's a swimming pool again. Beautiful swimming pool. Just continue walking along the track now to the next place. Okay, so just from the AYODYA now we have another collection of massage ladies, Puri Bali, Marine and Spa. Little Bali tour desk here, Club Wyndham. So that's the next place. It's going to be accommodation here, Club Wyndham. restaurant just to the back here. Some nice seating there, quite a few customers in there actually. Group here at the front. Undercover seating in the back there. Temple here. And then if you want to just visit this beach location, this is the motorbike car parking and car parking area here. I'm parked here. I've paid $2,000 for my motorbike. A little collection of my market store here, some clothes, 50,000. It's cheap for Nusa Dua. Some for the kids, some for the boys. Ladies' dresses, not sure whether they're just 50,000. A nice collection anyway. And then we have a super busy area here again. I presume this is the Wyndham Club. Very, very busy here. Wow, super busy. Sure whether this is the Wyndham Club or whether these are just normal sun lounges. Should maybe rent these, I'm not sure. We'll get back on the track anyway. Wyndham Club's in the back here, I can already hear the music. Just coming around the side again, we have some more local stores here. More stuff for the kids if you need the rubber rings and things like that. Some wood carvings, some caps, hats, stubby holders. Just a collection of general things. A cultural barbecue night here. MERUSAKA, Nusa Dua. Sure whether that's sunbeds. We have a big restaurant here at the back also. It's called Jalan by the sea or something. Not sure of the actual name. There's the entrance anyway. Seating area inside. Okay, so this is the MERUSAKA. Here I've just found out, just have to ask the staff because I'm not too familiar with all of the places here in Nusa Dua. See some people playing frisbee here on the beach. Again, beautiful beach location. Some more sun lounges there. The main resort is in the back there, and the MERUSAKA with some very, very loud music. Just back on the track, here's all of your sun lounges here. I'll take the drone up in a minute and give you a aerial view of this place. Nice collection of sun lounges. Shower as well outside here. Swimming pool's just in the back there. We'll take the drone over to give you a view on the swimming pool. Okay, so here's your beautiful beach location outside the MERUSAKA. I think that's how you pronounce it. Sun lounges on the beach outside. The MERUSAKA's in the back there. Beautiful. Wow, look at that. Pristine white sand. Fabulous. Okay, so here's our beach location now outside the MERUSAKA. I can hear another helicopter overhead somewhere. It's not very easy flying in this area. Just bring you across and show you the, we'll give you an overhead of the swimming pool area. There's the sun lounges down below. There's a beautiful overhead of a swimming pool here at the MERUSAKA. Wow, So beautiful. Okay, so just leaving the MERUSAKA now, we're going to head through to our next place. These beautiful gates here. Everything's so beautiful. I think this is the Grand Hyatt now. This is the Hyatt Regency in Sonora, Grand Hyatt here in Nusa Dua. Nonetheless, it's still a 5-star hotel accommodation. Some of the rooms in the back there, looks very impressive. Looks as though there's a lotus pond out the back of the rooms there. Nice. So you have some room types there right close to the beach. Not sure what room type they are, but very nice and very close to the beach. Looks as though we're going to have a big downpour. The sky has gone very grey. There it is, the Grand Hyatt Bali. Beautiful gardens and everything here. Beautiful beach. We'll show you the beach location just outside the swimming pool area. There's some more rooms here. Like a lotus pond out the front. Very nice. So you've got 4 rooms there, and then you've got a whole host of rooms in the back, all overlooking the lotus pond. Wow, beautiful. It's back on the track now. I see families here enjoying Nusa Dua. This is a very different animal to many other places in Bali. Not sure what this is here. And that's some kind of, oh it is, it's a villa. Baratan Villa that's called. Looks like a big villa, that one. Oh la la. Wow. And a security guard on the right here. Looks as though they're setting up for a wedding or something here. Very nice. And bicycles are available for the volleyball net as well. A swing in the distance there. It's continuing on now. Oh, Grand Hyatt also has a table tennis. So this is the Grand Hyatt swimming pool area here. Also some lounges as well, areas at the back of the, or on the beach here. Some very beautiful lounging facility areas here. It's very nice. Very beautiful white sand beach again here, beautiful ocean, waves in the distance. And it's very nice. We'll just cut back in now. Wow. So there's the inside of the Grand Hyatt. There is the swimming pool area as well there. I'll just take you and show you the swimming pool. It's a big swimming pool. So the swimming pool is slightly long and narrow. It's very big. Stretches all the way along the back here. Maybe we'll get a better view of that from the drone in a minute. Lots of people here though. Very beautiful area this. Probably the most impressive walkway area on this area of beach so far. Have another swimming pool on this side also. So swimming pool's got a divide. Okay, so just from a second swimming pool area now. So you have a collection of the sun lounges all in the shade under the trees here. Some ladies' cellars on the beach here. So you have quite a good sized second swimming pool as well there. So we'll just get round here and maybe we can give you a better angle on it here. All the sun lounges and things there. There's your swimming pool. Like guards walking around because you're walking with a camera. It's a public footpath. Oh my gosh. Just take you and show you again. Lots of little entrances into the beach here. All your sun lounges all the same under the umbrella, under the trees. It's not too sunny a day today though. It's just starting to rain now as I'm coming to the end of this walk. Just show you there's some more rooms in the back here with the grass in front and overlooking the ocean if you're on the up in one of the higher rooms, I would presume. So there they are again in the back. Beautiful grass outside. I'm just going to take you one more time out to the beach now to show you the beautiful rock formation in the distance. And we're just about done here in today's beach walk. Look at that, wow, it's so beautiful. People out with the surfboards and paddling. There's quite big waves out in the distance there. Your beach location outside the Grand Hyatt. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my beach stroll here in Nusa Dua from the NOVOTEL to the Grand Hyatt. So as you saw with the camera in today's video, you've got some impressive resort facilities in this location here in Nusa Dua. Fabulous facilities. We've got a bird's eye view of the swimming pools, all except the Grand Hyatt. Every place looks absolutely fabulous, fabulous beach location, so also beautiful beach, beautiful ocean here in Nusa Dua, all of your restaurant facilities, few little cellars on the beach as well. What more could you want for the perfect holiday stay here in Bali than staying in Nusa Dua? So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video, hope some of you find this video useful, and I shall say bye for now.